Make your edits feel expensive with this super simple shape transition effect inside After Effects. Got 2 clips on my timeline. Go to the end of the first clip, go up to the rectangle tool, go to the fill and use the eyedropper tool to capture one of the primary colours from your scene. I'm going to go with this cool burgundy red. Draw our first rectangle over the subject. Draw a second rectangle, sort of a lightish pink colour from the bridge. And you can do as many rectangles as you like. Now highlight all the shapes and do Option, open bracket, Option, close bracket. Misalign the timings so they all come in at different times. So they should all be appearing like this and disappearing. And then beginning from the top, I'm going to press Shift plus. And what we're doing is we're cycling through the different blending modes till we find something we like. Okay, I like that one. Go to the next shape, Shift plus. So once you've got the blending modes and the timings right, choose the most prominent shape. So for me, it's this reddish one here. Go a few frames into it, press S on your keyboard, keyframe the scale, and then go to frame 1. And then I'm going to do 65. And then go to the final few frames, keyframe 100, and then go to the ending frame. And I can do 70. And then apply an effect called posterize time. And take the frame rate to 20. And you can do this on as many shapes as you like, but I find that doing it sporadically keeps it dynamic and interesting. And voila. If you want to transform your edits from amateur to pro with cool effects, and subscribe to the channel for daily After Effects.